In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. If you want your Gumroad store to feel more professional and better match your brand, connecting a custom domain is a great step. Instead of sending people to a default Gumroad address, you can use your own web address, which looks cleaner and can help build trust with your audience. To get started, open Gumroad and look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on your profile. This is where you'll find the main account options related to your store and personal settings. If you're already logged in, this should only take a second to access. Once the profile menu opens, click on Settings. This section contains the controls for your account, store preferences, and other configuration options. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, because the custom domain option is a little deeper inside the settings area. After that, click on the Advanced tab. This is where Gumroad places additional setup options that aren't part of the basic store configuration. When you open this tab, take a moment to scan the page so you can locate the field for custom domain settings. Now find the custom domain field and type in your web address. Make sure you enter the domain carefully, because even a small typo can prevent the setup from working properly. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on. Also, make sure you're entering the exact domain you want customers to use when visiting your Gumroad store. Once your domain is entered, click Verify. This tells Gumroad to check the domain and confirm that it's ready to be connected. Depending on your setup, verification may work right away, or it may take some time if your domain settings are still updating behind the scenes. If verification doesn't go through immediately, stay calm and review the domain entry for any mistakes. In many cases, it just means the domain configuration hasn't fully propagated yet. Waiting a bit and trying again can often solve the issue. And that's it. Those are the steps to add a custom domain on Gumroad. Once it's verified successfully, your store will be one step closer to having a more polished and branded online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.